Hello, everyone. I completely forgot Wednesday. Just being honest. I've had a busy week, and every time I remembered Wednesday, I was like, I'll do it in 10 minutes, and then I forgot all about it, and here we are. So I'm gonna do this Easter thing, which is way too late, but I don't care. I'm gonna play with that. No, I've had a busy week, and it more or less started like Saturday evening last week, where my cat was. Let's take this first. 55 Danish crowns is like, say it's it's like $7 to $8 somewhere. I'd wager. And I saw similar sized Legos today for like 100 and something. So this was really cheap when I bought it. So yeah, let's make this playground. Anyway, one of my cats started having like a bad stomach, and I was like, okay, she's probably just doing cat things, and it's she kept having a bad stomach, and it was a cleaning nightmare. If you have cats, you know. So Sunday she was having a tough time. Monday she was having a tough time. Tuesday morning she was still kind of having an upset stomach, and I decided to call the vet, even though I have an appointment later this month. And I was like, hey, this and this, I would like to have it checked out. They did say like it could just be, normal cat stuff. Like it's normal for cats to be a little sick now and then, just like humans. And I knew that, so I was like, yeah, I know, but it's just I'd rather be safe than sorry, I bring her in Tuesday, on top of all my other normal stuff, right? And she's fine. Perfect health, no issue. And it's just like, that was like $180 dollars for that. So she's been expensive. It's not this one, it's the other one. It's not this one, it's the other one. Kitty. Okay. So yeah, that was one cat. Then Kitty. Then what even happened? Like Wednesday, I had my usual stuff. What day is it? It's Friday today. Not even. I feel like I did like 1,000 things, but now that I'm talking about it, I can't even remember. So yeah, I'm a little disoriented right now, apparently. Yeah, so it's just me being weird right now. Remove that cat hair. And then the back side here. Oh right, Thursday I was like Wednesday I had my club activities. Thursday I had board meetings, and I went to go help my brother, and my cat started puking everywhere, like normal. That's just having a cat. Wait, I definitely skipped something. Then this one. Okay. So it's been like one of those weeks. I'm still kind of tired, disoriented. I'm a little upset I got out of the habit of doing something every day, but oh, I need to do it the other way. Filming like the Wednesday stuff and things. I really need to get back in the habit of filming every now and then, so I don't like have to film on the day, like film in advance. I mean, but I don't know. I am my usual distracted self. So oh, come on. There we go. Come on. It's actually kind of cute, this thing. Let's see. It needs this one, and then we need these. Like that. And like that. Do that. Oh. That's gonna have to do. And then, is it like this? Yes. And then this. With this. Does it not have wings? That's just strange. Little. Alright. And we make the squirrel. Looks like. I also need to like take out a ton of trash and stuff, which is annoying. It's been wild weather and stuff like that, so I'm just, you know, mildly disoriented. I hope you guys have had a great Easter though. I did. I had a great Easter last Thursday. I had my, like a week plus a day ago, I had my family Easter dinner lunch thing. Probably already told you, but I don't remember, so getting it again. Alright. And we need this one. These are actually like cute starting. I have this small, not dream, like this small desire to go, because when I've built these, I have this like I save these recipes. What are they called? Guides, build guides. But I do kind of want to take them apart too, so they take up less space. Oh, oops. I need to do it like this. Yeah, so they take up less space. But then I have this small desire to like make a miniature house out of Legos. I definitely don't have all the right bricks for it, but it would be fun to try and make like a large Lego build out of like imagination. I've never tried anything like that. I have a lot of Lego downstairs. A lot of it is my dad's old stuff. and I have like my own stuff and then something I found in like not a trash place, but like it was like put out for other people to take, so I grabbed it. It wants them here, and then it wants the other one too, which is this one, yeah, and then this one. I don't know. My week has just been kind of. It felt like it was busy. Maybe it wasn't. I don't know. I feel like it was. Then we need these two. And this. It's already shaping up cute. And then this and this. Cat hair everywhere, but that's just life. Alright, I thought so. I wanted them over here too. And we need this here. And we want these here. If I can just turn them, that would be nice. Oh gosh, that's not gonna work. Oh wait. Alright, let's try again. Not that way. It's not sleeping, it's happy. Start. It is so finicky. That was not great. Come on. Just this one. Yeah. And let's try again. Not that way. Come on. I think that's the best I'm gonna be able to do. Alright. Now we go to the back. Let's see, we want this and this. You want me to turn to 80, not 80 degrees, 90 degrees. Oink. Then we want this and this. And we want this. Yeah, it's definitely, when building Lego compared to other blocks, Lego definitely feels more cohesive. Is that a good way to put it? Like, it feels a lot more... Kitty? Oh, stop. Could you not go? Alright. 2 down, and then we got the what are they called? Ricksaw? Ricksaw? I don't know the English term. Night, kitty. They feel a lot more stable and proper in Lego. Like, this doesn't feel like I could break it apart by sneezing, right? Alright, and this. I really like the pastel colors too. Alright, they now have their, is it called a ricksaw? I don't know, something saw. Awesome. Alright. Oops. Can you, like, stay on that and then stay over here? I need bag number 3. And I need these 2. Alright. Well, let's start with that one, and then we place this one. We have this and this. Okay. So now we're gonna get it tested if they actually do this in a way where it feels secure. Right. Might not get any more. One of the ricksaws going on this. Looks like it could fit right there. Okay. Let's see. I think I'm gonna, for my Sunday post, I think I'm gonna focus on the wow, I completely lost my thread. Focus on the Gen 1 characters I bought a while ago, where I just got the Pikachu this month. What's going on here? Okay. Oh, that's cute. That's a cute way to build a fireplace. Also doesn't require me to align it too prettily, which is nice. It's a little tough on the hands, but it's fine. Pointy edges I can handle. Yep. And then this flame on top of it. That's cute. Bag number 4. Guessing this is the rest of the tree. Right. Oh, it's cool. I haven't seen this before. It shows you how far along you are in the build. I'm only missing this bit. That's cool enough. Let's see, I need this one and I need this one. So up here. These two going, okay. Strange build a little bit. And this for the egg. Okay, what do we have? We have this, which goes here. And then, okay, this goes here and here. Okay. And this, okay. Oh, oops. Oh, we need to turn it around. We need this and this. Oh, there we go. Then set it aside a little bit. Stop that. Okay, so here, interesting. This thing on top. If I can. Oh yeah, today I did some board related homework, and I was also at the dentist and stuff like that, so it's been a long day. Okay. Oh, of course. See, I like stuff like this. It basically secures these like minor things in place. That's not the right one. This one. Ow! Yeah, not the greatest. Ow. Am I gonna be able to get that back in there? Yeah. Oh, at least I didn't lose anything. I did have to pick this one up. My knee is also doing better. Still hurts. I feel like I'm growing a new leg currently, but I can at least walk on it without limping, more or less. Alright. What do we have? Let's see. This. Wait, stop. Okay. There we go. In the middle. In the middle. These two. And these two. Okay. Yeah. And then this. Okay. Oh, wait, no, not like that. Not like that. Like that. And how does it want to sit? Like this. Oh, I need to make another one of these. And then, yeah, then this one goes over here. All right, that's a nice and easy build. Very cute. 2 hidden Easter eggs. One underneath here and the other behind in the tree. That's a really cute build. I like it. Also like the figures. Like normal, there's a bunch of like small extra stuff. I probably forgot something because I can't imagine there are supposed to be 2 of these. Like this doesn't seem normal. Did I forget something about the tail? No. Is there a list of what is supposed to be left over? Doesn't look like it. All right, that's fun. Did feel a little. I do. Yeah, I'm messing this up, but I do feel a little more. Some of these are quite hard to. I'm gonna put this in the corner if I can. There you go. I feel like that's more secure there. Gonna do the same over here. Just get in the corner. All right. That was cute. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I guess I'll catch you in the next one because this is done. And that was the sick kitty, right? Yep. Chubby, 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 chubby. Aww. Oh, I deserve kisses. Apparently. Thank you, honey. Yeah. Alright, guys, you have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.